And we're working on the F-150 giveaway truck once again. And today we'll be doing the IHC Suspension Ride Quality Lowering Leveling Kit. Drives really smooth, very stable. You honestly don't feel like you're driving in a truck. It feels more like a car. Take a look at this. Definitely a major improvement over how the truck sat before. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in a house, and we're back next door at WBA Performance next to Lethal headquarters, and we're working on the F-150 giveaway truck once again. We've already got the exhaust on a truck with those sick Cooks headers along with the Corsa Performance Extreme Catback exhaust. We got the Ford Star wheels all mounted up, as well as a set of welds for the drag strip. And today we'll be doing the IHC Suspension Ride Quality Lowering Leveling Kit. IHC is definitely one of the most popular kits that we sell for the F-150s as well as other vehicles now. This truck is getting a 3.5 lowering leveling kit. That's because it's a four-wheel drive truck. You cannot do a 4.6 lowering kit on a four-wheel drive truck, only on a two-wheel drive. So this one is getting the 3.5 setup. And this kit was also designed to be really nice for driving on the street. It's got the polyurethane bushings over here, no rod end stuff, so it's not gonna be making noise. The truck's gonna handle great on the street. I've actually driven trucks before with the IHC suspension kit on long rides. I'm talking about 6-10 hour rides, and the trucks ride really nice with it. No noise, no nothing. And remember guys, since IHC suspension is involved with the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway, that means that we're doing double entries on any IHC product purchased from us from now through December 31st. So you spend $1 on IHC, you get 2 entries. That covers everything IHC, leveling kits, accessories, the whole 9. Now this isn't the only suspension upgrade we're doing to the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. We're also doing a set of Keltrax front adjustable coilovers. Kelly Aiken from Keltrax is be coming on down from the Tampa area to help us install and talk to us all about that setup and why it's going to complement this really nice. That Keltrax front setup on there is going to help for more consistent and harder launches, getting that truck down the track for quicker times and quicker ETs. So I think it's time we get going and have Nick pull all the old suspension stuff off the truck and get this IHC system up in there. One thing to note guys, again, since this truck already has a lowering leveling kit on it, the install is going to be slightly different than if the truck was stock. As you can see, the leaf springs are already flipped on the rear here. So some of the parts of the installation on this truck will be slightly different as if the truck had all the OEM suspension parts on it. So we just got the truck off of the alignment rack over at WBA Performance after installing the IHC Suspension Ride Quality Kit. That is their 3.5 kit, along with their traction bars. And we've got some new shoes on here too from Ford Star, the X12s in 22x10 with some Toyo tires. And I'll tell you what, the truck drives really smooth, very stable. You know, I was driving it before and it had a mix of a suspension on it before. I think might have had some front IHC stuff with another brand rear with some helper bags on it. Really didn't look right and definitely didn't ride as nice as this is riding right now with the full IHC kit on here. So even around cornering, feels real nice. I mean, you honestly don't feel like you're driving in a truck. It feels more like a car. You know, should I whip it? Whip it! No, but it feels real nice. So big shout out to IHC Suspension for hooking us up with the kit, participating in our giveaway build, Team Lethal F-150 giveaway. And man, we're just getting started with this thing, guys. Although we've got the exhaust covered with those headers and the from Cooks, as well as the Corsa catback exhaust. We've also now got the suspension covered, at least most of the suspension stuff. We are still waiting on Kelly Aiken from Keltrack to come on down, and we're going to be installing his front coilover kit on here, which will be fully adjustable, which is definitely going to complement this IHC kit. Really nice. But for the most part, we got that going on. And again, we've got 2 fresh new pairs of wheels and tires for this truck ready to go. And we're giving it away, guys. We're giving it away, along with $15,000 in cash. Crazy. All right, here we are outside the truck, guys. Take a look at this. Definitely a major improvement over how the truck sat before. The front is very similar to how it was before, but the rear is way different. Before, it was like way lifted up with that helper bag setup on it. Look how nice this regular cab, short bed F-150 looks now. The IHC Ride Quality Kit, along with their traction bars on there, all leveled out, looking amazing, especially with those Ford Star wheels on there. 2 thumbs up for sure. And that's it, guys. The installation of the IHC Ride Quality Lowering Leveling Kit. That's their 3.5 setup, along with their traction bars. The truck looks great. It drives great. Big thanks to IHC Suspension for being a part of our Team Lethal F-150 giveaway build. And remember, guys, that IHC Suspension, as well as all the other brands involved in the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway, earns you double entries. So for every $1 you spend on one of those brands, you're getting double the points. How do you enter the giveaway? Just head on over to lethalperformance.com, purchase your parts, purchase your accessories, get your swag, and get those entries to winning this truck and the $15,000 in cash. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105 on the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. TJ, man.
People are, they want.
Dude, you look a little aggressive over here the way you were stroking that towards me, dude. Like, what the f, dude? Oh my God.
My eyeball.
Shove it in your f***ing eyeball on camera, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Now this isn't, yeah.
Please everybody enter so I can get eye surgery.
Yeah, stick it in your eyeball, bro. You just come out wearing a f***ing patch, dude. Arrgh, f***ing pirate you.
Did I hear lube?
You got some lube, Nick? Where's the lube, though? Do you have any extra?
Dude, I got lube for days.
You didn't follow directions? This guy, follow directions. Typical guy, bro.
What about erections?
Follow erections.
This is the street setup. That's the street setup. We got the track setup for you.